هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو.
Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Moga Dishes. Today I will be showing you guys how I make one of my favorite desserts. I start off by mixing half a cup of granulated sugar and 3 eggs in a bowl. I then add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I then whisk in 1 cup of cocoa powder. I do the same with my flour. Here I add 1.5 cups, and then I also whisk in baking powder, and then of course the pinch of salt. I wanted my consistency to be a little bit watery, so I add heavy milk. Here I just grab my parchment paper and add my mixture into a pan. And here I'm making my cream cheese frosting. I then just mix the cream cheese with some sugar. Really, you can make it as sweet as you'd like. I just add it into a piping bag. Here I'm just layering the frosting and the mixture over each other.
المجيد الباعث الشهيد الحق الوكيل القوي المتين الولي الحميد المحسن المبدئ المعيد المحيي المميت الحي القيوم الواجد الماجد الواحد الأحد الصمد القادر المقتدر المقدم المؤخر.
You can even add a cute design, and once it's done you put it in the oven for 350 for around half an hour. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed.